have that all the way through.
Sounds hard though. Sounds hard.
Alright, he's adding grapes, not bells.
Grapes.
So like the vibe so far?
Oh, it's
Yeah.
hard. Sono in centro e chiamo Buddy. Questi fan mi aspettano il flop, ma come non.
Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I've got something special for you. I feel like anytime I'm holding up the camera like this and not sat in front of the computer, you know it's gonna be something sick. So I'm linking up with my boy LOB, we're going to a studio in Manchester, and we're bringing an Italian drill rapper with us. So the idea is we're gonna cook up a beat from scratch, make a full song with him, and yeah, I think it's gonna be crazy. So I'm gonna go link up with LOB, maybe get some food, and then head to the studio. So I was supposed to pick up LOB from the station, but once again I left something at home, so I had to turn around and get it. It was a laptop charger this time. I literally do this every single time, man. But I've got to the studio now, I've managed to get here before him, and I still need to eat, so I'm just gonna wait for him and then we'll head out. Are you that LOB from YouTube?
No. Scared the
Swear I've seen you on YouTube.
What's going on, gang?
So this is the only thing I could find without mayonnaise, so I'm just gonna have a quick munch and then get straight into the studio. Hey bro, you good?
Good, yeah?
Good to meet you, man.
Yes, my bro.
How you doing, bro? You good?
What's going on, man? Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Happy to see you, man. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. Say, man, what you been on?
Just, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, bro.
Working.
I just released one track yesterday, innit?
Oh, I saw that. We were just listening to
Yeah,
it.
The video?
Sick.
Yeah, the video was sick for that
Thank
as
you,
well.
bro.
Alright, so I'm here with my guy, Abby Wayne.
Oh.
Abby Wayne is a sick artist, and the plan is we're going to be making a drill track. So me and LOB are going to cook up some melodies, try and vibe to something. We're going to be using Heat Up 3. So Initial Audio have sent me this. It's the ultimate edition of Heat Up 3. There's over 270 gigabytes of presets in there, and it comes with a hard drive. And there's thousands of presets on there, so I'm sure we're going to find something. And yeah, we'll just get straight into it. Alright, so we've got Heat Up 3 open right now. As you can see, there's thousands of presets. So what you can do is go to the expansions and select the type of pack that you want. So there's a couple drill packs, a couple other ones, or you can just browse through them all. As you can see, they've pretty much got every instrument that you can think of. Earlier I was having a look through the pads, and I think that's what I want to go with today. I want to find some kind of like dark pad, find a progression that Abby's vibing with, and then just go from there. I think what I'll do is, yeah, I'll just keep playing that melody and I'll cycle through some sounds, and you just let me know if you like the sound of anything.
Alright.
I think we need to use that first one, you know.
Yeah.
Do you know when you, the first time you heard it, did you like that sound?
Yeah.
I think we roll with that. Do you make music as well?
No.
No.
Nah.
It's my manager.
Just like
innit?
moral support. Are you managing him?
Yeah.
I texted you a long time ago about the website.
Oh, that was you, innit?
Mhm.
Oh, I thought I recognised you. I remember now, yeah.
So yeah, I do all web development side.
Yeah, yeah. How's it going?
It's alright.
Yeah? I think I want to keep it simple, but
Just a
I
few,
think- yeah.
different sounds, but just basically the same as everything.
yeah. What I might do, I might just start in some drums first,
Yeah,
just to get
that's
the
a good
bounce,
idea.
and then we'll think of some more sounds to go with it. Yeah.
Go into the master and just turn down that EQ.
Oh right,
I
yeah,
always
it's a bit
leave it on.
sharp, innit?
let's do that.
Good one. This wide one sounds kind of sick.
Yeah, that's one of those beats where you can literally just play one.
Yeah,
key.
yeah. It doesn't need much, does it?
Literally, maybe even like one slide at the end of an 8, but it's just that.
Did we? Oh, we pitched it down to C, didn't we?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just have that all the way through.
Sounds hard though. Sounds hard.
Maybe like a little pause there.
Yeah. Makes this snap hit a bit harder.
I'm gonna put a kick in just to get. I need to hear a different sound. So far.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
hard.
I just kept it kind of simple because I was trying to go crazy with the 808s, but I feel like you know these tracks sometimes it doesn't need it. It just needs like a little simple. That one sounds alright. You know? If you pitch it up an octave and then like blend it in with the original,
Yeah.
it usually
It's
works.
in C as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know how to. What's that?
The bass.
Hard. Yeah, the bass is hard.
Alright, respect, bro.
So there's J
Even
slides.
the vibe in that.
Alright, I think we're almost finished with the beat. I think we need some kind of like top melody, just something real simple. I think LLB is just gonna add in a bell and then go from there. Alright, he's adding grapes, not bells. For the lead, just real simple, just one note coming down each time.
Down, yeah. That sounds good. Let's go back into heat up.
Yeah, yeah. I don't want to overdo it. I don't think it needs like too much more, so I'll do like a quick arrangement, and then
I think let's start with the verse.
Yeah. Start with the verse,
and then pre-hook, and then the hook.
All right, then cinema. How long do you usually do your verses?
I think 16 bars.
About 6. All right, cool.
Perché qua può finire male. Se sei fortunato ti ritrovi nel letto dell'ospedale. Parli sempre della calle, non sei fermo a scappare. Se vedo un amico soffrire non lo posso fare.
Alright, so we've pretty much finished the beat. We just wanted to get the basic idea down right now. So I think when I get home I'll probably switch up the 8/8 pattern a little bit. Maybe just adjust the arrangement. But Abby's feeling it so far. He's just wrote 2 fire verses.
Boom boom.
He's ready to go. So yeah, I don't really understand Italian obviously, but the flow's on point, so you're gonna hear it.
Sono in centro e chiamo Buddy. Questi fan mi aspettano il flop, ma con me non parlare di flow. Vado sempre hard when a job, sono dei kid e parlano di Glock. Questo scemo giuro parla troppo, da poco ho iniziato non mi stoppo. Prenderei tutto il mio motto, vincerei tutto, tu hai torto. Ti casi quando metti play, ma questo non è un fottuto gioco. Grippa, ora negozi che sei morto, ma sono con i miei G, mi ritrovi al Meccabivo. Per finire questa guida giuro che la gente non tarda. Un'altra storia triste per uno scemo che stabba. Siamo in 4 dentro il merco, il mio volto è tutto coperto. La gente non vede, non sente niente, passa dentro il mio bendo. Nego non ti atteggiare perché qua può finire male. Baby girl was goody, sono perso messo puri. Ogni giorno qua è movie, sono in centro e cambio. Così fa mi aspettano in shop, ma come non parlare di fuck. Sempre hard when I drop, sono dei kid, parlano di fuck. Questo scemo giuro parla troppo, da poco ho iniziato non mi stoppo. Grrr! Yeah! 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 Uh-huh. No. Pow, pow, pow. Yeah. 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 Sono persone soburi, ogni giorno qua è movie, sono in centro e chiamo Buddy. Questi fan mi aspettano il flop, ma come non parlare di flow? Vado sempre hard when I drop, sono dei kid e parlano di Glock. I think it's straight after. Stai per uno scemo che stappa, siamo 4 dentro. Stai per uno scemo che stappa, siamo 4 dentro il merco. Stai per uno scemo che stappa, siamo 4 dentro il merco. Il mio volto è tutto coperto. La gente non vede, non sente niente, passa dentro il mio vento. Dico non ti atteggiare perché qua può finire male. Sei fortunato. Abiwe. Yeah. Yeah. Baby girl was goody, sono persone soburi. Ogni giorno qua è movie, sono in centro e chiamo Buddy. Questi fan mi aspettano il flop, ma come non parlare di flow? Vado sempre hard when I drop, sono dei kid e parlano di Glock. Questo scemo giuro parla troppo, da poco ho iniziato non mi stoppo. Prenderei tutto è il mio motto, vincerei tutto, tu hai torto. Ti casi quando metti play, ma questo non è un fottuto gioco.
Alright, so I've just arrived back home and I think that session went sick. I think Abby's a real talented artist. He wrote that full song in no time and then just banged out the whole track like it was nothing. And I think the energy was crazy, his delivery was so on point. And yeah man, I think we made a banger. We're speaking about dropping a music video for it. And if you think we should, if you want to see a music video, then let me know in the comments. And plus if you like the sounds that we were using to make the beat, I've left a link to Heat Up 3 in the description. So make sure you go check that out. But yo, once again, thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time.